So we're here at Iscar Tools and with Ian, who's in charge of the first demo today. What was it all about, Ian?
The demonstration we did this morning was all about Multimaster really, and the benefits of the short flute length against traditional solid carbide. So we utilised a variety of different shanks and a variety of different cutting geometries to show how effective it is at cutting.
One of the things you hear a lot is when you've got an indexable type system like your Multimaster, it's not as rigid as solid carbide, but that's not necessarily true, is it?
No, it isn't. The Multimaster system actually uses face and taper for the locking mechanism, so it's extremely rigid, and also the benefit of the different materials on the shank give us different options depending on the application that we're machining.
Yeah, so, and it's the same back end, isn't it? So you just literally, it's a modular head, so you're not wasting all that carbide as well.
That's its main benefit really, the economy of the system. So whether it be a long reach application, we can just use the same shank and we're just throwing away a small bit of carbide at the end.
So just talk us through some of these heads. I know not all these heads are on the demonstration, but just run through some of these heads.
The first head, this is a chatter-free head, so this is the one that we did do on the demonstration, so we've done shouldering and full slotting with it. But the Multimaster range itself, we have everything from the finish shred through to rippers, and we also utilise steelware and then standard inserts, standard indexable inserts to further improve economy.
And in terms of the repeatability, is it something we have to go and preset after, or is it close enough without?
Depending on the application, if you're roughing or you're not working to extremely high tolerances, Multimaster generally repeats to within plus or minus 15 microns, so it is very accurate as a system itself.
Now back onto the demo, what other tools did we see?
Well, on the demo this morning we saw the long edge range of tools as well, which is a new release, part of the Logic range. So these are now increasing the depth of cut on the Multimaster range, so we've doubled the depth of cut. Also we showed corner rounding tools, which is a very economical option, whereas a solid carbide tool mostly would be special, whereas a Multimaster range, again, an economical solid carbide solution.
And this is obviously on a vertical machining centre, but these lend themselves to sliding ahead lathes, the multi-axis turning centres, mill turns as well.
Yeah, they're perfect for things like this, again, because of the small overhang, the small reach that we've got, and especially with the new face mill heads that we've got, especially in a sliding head or a lathe where space is at a premium, we can really utilise these systems.
Yeah, I was just about to say that about the face mill heads. You know, it's on a sliding head, space is a premium, but more importantly, you've got to get it as short as possible, haven't you? On a nice stubby end mill is what people currently use, but it's a great idea.
Yeah, no, the face mill is perfect. We've got the integral shanks on here, our collet chucks, so these fit in perfectly well on the sliding heads with minimal projection, so maximum rigidity, maximum performance, and again, it's a 6-flute option for better productivity.
There we have it. So that's the end of the first demonstration today. Stay tuned to MTD CNC, and we're going to have a lot more coming up throughout the day.